Hi friend! Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my fuelings for every day in the week to make sure that my week is simple and everything's laid out for me. We all know we're busy, so this is what works for me. If you have a different way of organizing things, please let me know. I love to know if maybe I can adjust what I do to make it more simple for me. So first off, what I did was when I first started, I took zippy bags and I wrote the day of the week on them. In here, I'll put my 5 fuelings for each day because you have 5 fuelings and 1 lean and green on the 5-in-1 plan of Optavia. So my fuelings will go in there, ready, set. Don't have to think each day. Just take my baggie out and pick what I'm going to have. Now, because you get a bunch of different options and you're only packaging for 1 week, I do have extra bags. So I have a bag for my shakes. So any other shakes that I'm not having yet, like the back stock of it, you know? Shakes, bars, anything that's sweet. I like to keep my sweets together. Anything that's savory, I pop them in here. And then because I have a soy-free breakfast each day, I just put brekkie on this bag so that I'm never confused. If I wanted to maybe change an option out or just to make sure I keep it separate to avoid any breakfast mishaps on my end. So now I'm going to package each of the 5 fuelings into my bags, and I'll be right back. The other thing that I have that I like to keep in my cupboard or your pantry or whatever it is one of these containers. And I actually place my little zippy bags in day order in here so that when I open the cupboard, I can just grab one, know that that's for the day, pop it out on my counter, and then I know I'm ready to go. My 7 days. Now that I have my fuelings ready for the 7 days of the week ahead, I'm so calm. I have put all of the other fuelings away into their baggies. The only thing I didn't mention before is sometimes I like to keep the crunchers in their boxes, the extras, not the ones for the day of the week. Those are in their zippy bags. But the extra backstock of the crunchers, I like to keep in their boxes so that they don't get smushed or smashed or whatever you want to say. But besides that, now I feel calm and ready just to go into the next week. I will show you one day how I do the meal prep for my lean and green, but for now, that's how I do my fuelings. Hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Bye!